Hello friends, welcome to our new tutorial in Illustrator. So today we'll create some attractive promotional copies. So by promotional copy, I mean those kind of callouts like best offers, mega deals, which highlight specific discounts like promotions, sales. So let's start by adding a text. So I'm just creating something like mega, uh, mega sale, or we'll just keep it as mega for now. So this will also be helpful to show it properly in a big view. I'm just aligning it in center. So now if you'll see, we have this text over here. What we can do is we can create some kind of an effect on this. So maybe we can go to effects menu on top and select the warp. You can select any of this, and I think let's select arch. Yeah. So you might have seen many of these text copies in this kind of a style. It has some kind of an arch or something like that. So this is good. I'm just selecting it as this style, and next thing what you can do is take a copy. So I'll just say Control C, and I'm keeping it. Putting as Control V and taking it somewhere outside, just as a reference. I'll explain why I'm keeping this as a separate copy. Now, to create this some kind of an effect on this, what you can do is we have already have an arch effect. Next, we'll select this and again Control C. And this time, what you can do is Control Shift and V. So this will create a copy on the same text itself. And why we want it, I'll tell you again about it. So just scale it down, since after doing Control Shift V, just scale it down with Shift and Alt. So when you scale it down, just select a particular color. Maybe I'll go to this and I'll just select something like green. Yeah, this is fine. So now what you'll see is there are two text. One is black color and one is green color. Any colors will do. Now all you have to do is select any of this. I'll select black and then go to blend tool. Click on it. Just see when you are outside of this text, you'll see this cursor. When you roll over it, you'll see a star appearing next to it. And when you select and drag it onto the another text, you'll see a plus sign appearing. So when you get this plus sign, just click on it. This will add blend steps. So now this is very less. What you can do is you can increase it by going to object, blend, and inside blend there is blend options. Now in this, go to specified steps and increase the steps to, let's say, 40. Okay, and then if you'll see this, this is how it comes out. So you can increase it to any number of steps. And so now if you'll see, this effect is looking good, but I want this in reverse. So there are two ways. You can select this, go to your blend options and just click on reverse, front to back. And this will take the black color text on top. There is another option to it. I'll just press Ctrl Z. Another way to do it is just select this text, this green text. You can double click on it, select this, and just right click, arrange, send to back. So it's the same thing. Whichever is easier for you, you can use that. All right. And so I'm just going with this effect, option blend, and reverse front to back. Okay. So now best part about this is this remains as editable text. So if you want to change, do anything on this, you can do by just selecting it. So let's say if I'm using it as sale, SALE. So this will be as it is. This design and this style will remain as it is. So this is non-obstructive kind of design, meaning it's non-destructive. You can keep the text as live, and anytime if you want to edit this copy, you can do that. So next thing, why I had kept this additional copy is because if I want to make any changes on this, I can do that. Or else we can just take a copy from here, and then you can again do the same thing, right? Control Shift V and change color on the front one. So now what you'll have is a different kind of a design with the highlighted text. So like this, you can create very nice effects and without losing the text. Later on, if you want to edit it, you can also edit it. So I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.